Welcome back to Proper Academy, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Romwe account. It's actually really simple and easy to do. So you guys want to start off in the application, and you want to go over to the bottom right tab that says Me, and then you want to go to the top right and you'll see the settings icon. So you want to click on that, and then if you scroll near the bottom you'll see it says Privacy and Cookie Policy. You want to click on that. And then once this opens, you guys just want to go to section number 6. So you want to scroll down all the way to 6, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. So your rights. So basically, it just lets you know what your rights are with your account and what they can do with your personal information. All you want to do is click on the Contact Us option that's bolded here. If that doesn't work for you, you could actually long press on it and click on Copy Email like I am now. Once you're able to do that, you guys want to exit the email to your email app, and you want to click on the new mail icon and just paste the email there. Get rid of this mail to here as well. Just like that. And then in the email, you just want to say, hello, can you please delete my account and its data? Just like that. And then you could send that off. And it's literally easy as that. I hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.